In this tutorial, we are going to solve all these challenges. So let's go over them one by one and see the solution for them. So very first, try writing a small program that prints your name and age, but make sure to use proper indentation. So let's create one file which is in third Python syntax basics. So let's give it a 1.py. Okay, so let me first use this one question over here. Okay, so it says try writing a small program. So we are going to write that, and it says that prints your name and age both, but make sure to use proper indentation and comments. So we are using comments, okay, for this. So Python will ignore this question. I mean, for our reference, we put it like this. And now the line number 2 or comment number 2. So let's say program prints my name and age. So for that, we know print is a function, right? Or what we have learned so far. So what we can do here, my name is DSOQ, all right. And it also asks us to print the age. So I'm just copy paste the same statement, and my age is X years old. Okay, we will write a program to identify age of a person. Okay, so that's fun. Let's execute this program, and Python say my name is DSOQ, my age is X years old. That's the objective for this. So we have solved the very first question, and I believe you were also successfully executed or printed your name as well as your age. Okay, now we have to see the second one, and second one say to fix this. Okay, so in order to fix this, what we can do, let's say 2.py. all right, so we have copy paste it over here. This is the shortcut to get rid of terminal. Comment this, and it says if this true. Okay, so let's say if this true. So instead of that, I'm gonna use something like this, if true. Okay, so that's what we have to just fix to this. Okay, so we have this fixed. Okay, and we are also want to write a comment. So what we have did, correct indentation is required. Okay, inside if statement. Okay, so we have changed here, proper indentation is like this. We have updated that, and it was something like this. If you see over here, that's why it is giving us a error. Okay, so let me put the question also over here. Okay, it belongs to, this line belongs to first comment. This is correct indentation is required inside if statement. All right, we have done this, and let's clear the terminal. Again, the same Linux shortcut I use, and it says if true, print this. So yes, if it's true, we have fixed this and there is no error at all. All right, now we have to go to the question 3. Fix the error in the following code and check if a number is greater than 10 and prints a message. Let's copy this one. I use Control N, that would be faster. And this name we give 3.py. It took a lot of burden from us. All right, so let's first do like this. This is program checks if 15 is greater than 10. So let's copy paste to this one. So first of all, we have to fix this. Okay, I will also show you later. There are so many shortcut keys are available for this, but for timing, just to go slowly, okay, step by step. So if 10 is greater than 15, so we have to add a colon over here. So what we have done, added colon right at the end, just for practice we are doing it. Okay, and the print 15 is greater than. So what do you think? Let's see. So program executed successfully. So this was our program. Okay, it says if 10 is greater than, so 10 is not greater than. Okay, that's why we don't get the output here. The objective of exercise is to you fix the error. Okay, don't worry about if a statement. Okay, just remember. So let me close this one, this one, this one. Okay. And next program is to write a program that generates a case sensitive error. Okay, so let's control N, paste over here and put it, not this one. Okay, let me save first. It's a code.py and hit enter. All right. So as soon as we have done that, and okay. So this time we have to create a program that creates or that generates an error. Okay. So for that, very simple. Python is case sensitive, right? So let's like something Python, not Python, case sensitive. Okay. So print is not the same as this print. I have just take a print. Okay, we will see more as well. You could also see the sock cube is not same as the sock cube. So though it seems, I mean, we can, this is more, or we can say it's a short form, or it's just a where it's not possible uppercase letter, something like this. Okay, so just for our understanding. Okay, so now we have to write a program. Let's say print, and what print? Okay, let's print this one. I'm not gonna type something else. And this time, okay, so this is not the same as the sock cube. But this is not the actually objective of the program. Objective of the program is to create an error, not the fix the error, right? So what we could do, we can make it print. Okay, we will see about the string later on, not today, but we know print and print are different. So when I execute this, so here we go, we get the error name print is not defined. Did you mean print? So we have to create an error. We want in output an error. So program should not be get executed successfully. That was the actual question. Okay, so always remember what the question is about. Okay, so let me close this. What is the fifth question? Add a comment, explain what the following code does. All right, so let's copy this. Control N, this one, Control S, and okay, py. Let me put hash over here, hash over here. And this time we have to put a comment. So what this print statement actually does. So let me copy this over here. So let's clear this and execute again. So what it does, so very simple here. I mean, there is no right or wrong, I would say, but here the main objective is to you learn how you practice, okay, the commenting the code. Okay, so this line, you could say this line prints the text inside the quotation, quotation, quotation marks. Okay, and that's what it did actually. This will be printed. All right, so this was the program number 5. Let me close this one and let's head over to the next one. Control N over here, Control S, and we want to UI. Let me close this. Okay, wrap the text. All right, so I'm using a shortcut. Okay, Option or Alt Z. That's why it's like this. So this line, don't think why I did put a comment this line. Okay, it's entirely one line. Okay, let me explain something like this, more focused on it. Okay, yeah. So command B is the option to toggle between this. So we want more space. So that's the shortcut. Write a program that prints your favorite system theme. Use a comment to explain your code. All right, so let's now write the program. So first comment, what this is gonna do. So this program prints my favorite system theme. We can also write something favorite favorite. So it's just a different English US and UK. Anyways, so it's not English class, it's a programming language class. Okay, so this is the program which is gonna be print my favorite system theme. So we know for that we have to use print, and quotation marks. Okay, and I will type my favorite system theme. Let me copy this as is dark. Okay, dark theme. Okay, so program is written. Let's execute. So my favorite system theme is dark theme. This is the program or exercise number or challenge number 6. I hope you were able to did this. Okay, next drop in the comments how many syntax rules you have picked up today. Okay, so this time it's a different. Previously we learned 4 and this time we have learned. Let me know. So that's it for today's tutorial. Next up we are going to learn finally about variables and data types. So stay tuned, keep practicing, stay curious. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye, happy coding.